Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with React Native for mobile app development, complete guide step by step clearly. To start registering with React Native for mobile app development, first, ensure you have Node.js installed on your system. Visit the official Node.js website and download the latest stable version for your operating system. Once the installation is complete, open your terminal or command prompt to verify the installation. Type Node v and press enter to check the Node.js version. Next, you will need to install the React Native CLI globally on your machine. In your terminal, type npm install g React Native CLI and hit enter. After the installation is finished, create a new React Native project. To do this, type npx React Native init your project name, replacing your project name with your desired project name. Once the project is generated, navigate into the project directory using cd your project name. Make sure to set up the development environment for your chosen platform, either iOS or Android. For iOS development, ensure you have Xcode installed from the Mac App Store. For Android development, download and install Android Studio and set up the Android SDK. Now, you'll need to configure the environment variables for Android. Open your terminal and add the Android SDK path to your environment variables. For Mac users, add export android_home equals $home/library android/SDK to your .bash_profile or .zshrc. For Windows users, set the environment variables through the system properties settings. With your environment set up, it's time to run your application. In your terminal, from the project directory, type npx React Native run Android for Android or npx React Native run iOS for iOS. Wait for the build process to complete and your app should launch on the emulator or connected device. If you encounter issues during setup, refer to the React Native official documentation for troubleshooting tips. Now, you are ready to begin developing your mobile app with React Native. You can start by modifying the app.js file in your project directory. Add your desired components, styling, and functionality as needed. Once you make changes, save the file and your app will automatically refresh if you are running an emulator or connected device. Explore the vast array of libraries and documentation available to enhance your app further. You have now successfully registered and set up your React Native development environment. Enjoy creating your mobile applications. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.